Box grater. This sharp tool is shaped like a box. It's used to grate ingredients into smaller pieces, from superfine to larger pieces. To safely use this tool, with one hand, push down on the grater handle. Hang onto your ingredient with the hand you write your name with. Grip the ingredient with a claw so your fingers are safe and the ingredient is steady. Grate up and down. Move the ingredient around if your fingers get too close to the little grater blades. Always stop when you don't feel safe. Flat grater. A flat grater can also be used to grate things, but be careful that it doesn't slip. Here we use a damp paper towel to stop it from slipping. Grip the grater with one hand. Hang onto the ingredient with your other hand, fingers curled like a claw to protect them. Grate up and down. After, to safely remove the bits, tap both sides of the grater on the cutting board or into a bowl.